Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. So we are going to be opening up my Stitch Fix. You can see it's already opened. I actually filmed the try-on portion like a week ago. It was like late at night, like 2, 3 in the morning I'm talking. And I had this burst of energy, so I filmed that part. And so yeah, hopefully that footage turned out okay. I am wearing some of the items, two of the items, so I'll show you when we get to it. But first, I want to take a moment to say hi and welcome if you are new here. My name is Kitty. I love subscription boxes and I open them every single day here on our channel, so if you love them too, I would absolutely love it if you subscribe. That means so much to me. And don't forget, you guys, we have the 11,000 subscriber giveaway going on as a big thank you. If you haven't entered that yet, I will link it at the end of this video so you could check it out then. So before I show you the items I got in my Stitch Fix, I guess I should tell you a little bit about it. I've opened these boxes like the whole entire time I've been on YouTube pretty much. I kind of took a hiatus from doing it because I felt self-conscious about like trying on clothes on camera, but you know, like F it, I don't care anymore. I'm real, you guys know that, so whatever. But yeah, so I'm gonna go quick through it, but I'll leave my playlist down below if you want to hear me like describe it more in depth and see other things I've gotten in my fix. So Stitch Fix is a personalized styling service. They send you 5 items each fix and you pay a $20 like styling fee, they call it. And then when you get your items, if you purchase anything, that $20 will go towards it. And if you keep all 5 of the items, then you save 25%. So you have a stylist that sends you these items. It's a surprise, you don't know what's coming, but you do fill out a styling profile and you can update that at any time. And you tell them like obviously stuff about your style, but you also tell them preferences, like how much money you prefer to spend on specific items and stuff like that. So that's super helpful. And you have the option to like get a new stylist if you don't like what they send. I always say it's really important to review all the items you get because that feedback will help them keep styling you better. Like you might not be 100% in love with your very first fix, but the more you tell your stylist and give feedback on the items, the better it will be. I do have a referral link that will save you $25 on your first fix. I will link that down below. Definitely take advantage if you're interested. This is a great way to try new clothing items and stuff without having to go to the store. I know a lot of people are trying to stay home more still, so me included, so I think this is great. So yeah, if you guys have any questions, just ask me, or again, you can look at my playlist where I talk more about it, but I think that's enough information because yeah, the pricing all depends on your preferences and stuff like that. So I'm gonna go through the items I got and I'll tell you the pricing and like the subtotal and what it would be if I saved all 25%. And I kindly ask you guys to please give me some feedback on what items you think I should keep because yeah, that matters a lot to me. I wanna know what other people think. And let's get started. So inside, it looks like a mess right now because I've already gone through everything and tried it on. So it is free shipping both ways. They will provide a large mailing bag that's pre-labeled so you can ship back anything you don't want to keep. And they say you have 3 days to check out, but I extended mine. I always do pretty much, so they are flexible with that. So if you need more time to decide or you're like me and you like push off filming for too long, you can just go on the website and press extend checkout date. So there'll be a note inside from the stylist and then they'll show the pieces you got along with some outfit ideas. And then there's an invoice here, so it'll tell me what all the items cost individually, the subtotal, and then if I get like keep all of them, what the discount would be. So I'm trying to remember how I filmed, like so I can talk in order for ease of editing. But the first thing is this tank top. This is the one item I have decided to keep. I'll just show you guys right now. These pants I might keep too, but it's just like a really cute burgundy tank top. I'll show you better in the clip, but what is this called? So this is by Z Supply and it's their Tisha snap front Henley knit tank in burgundy and it's $38 and I love this so much. Like I'll just show you guys again and you can kind of see the pants. Like I still have the tag on the pants because I don't know, but I think I want to keep them. But this tank top is like so my type of color and I can just, it's really comfortable too. It like feels like really good fabric and $38 I think is like in my price range for a shirt. Like I would get so much use out of this. I already have worn it twice. I think I was wearing it in my video I posted yesterday. Oh well. So yeah, and then there's some like outfit ideas there for it. Like show it like pair with jeans and stuff like that. So yeah, so this is the first item. And then the second are the pants, which I think I'm gonna keep too because they are so cute. Maybe I'll just show you really quick what they look like. So I kind of tucked this shirt in because I thought it looked cute, but there's like this waistband here that's really comfortable and they hit like above the ankles. So yeah, I'll show you the video, but I wanted to show you now. So it's so comfy and I'm all about comfort, and it's getting a little bit cooler here in Florida. Oh yeah, that's one thing I want to mention. Some people watch my videos that don't know me personally very well. So I live in Florida where it's still pretty warm. Like I think the high was 80 something, 81 today. So someone was like, why are you getting all these tank tops and stuff for like during fall? And that's why, because they also take into consideration like where you live in the world and stuff like that. So they really do put effort into styling you. I just said Florida, I'm like, I can feel the sweat coming because all these lights on me. But anyways, these pants are by 151. It's the Marjorie printed wide leg pant, and they are also $38, which I think is good too for like my preference. I know everyone has different like what they want and all that, but yeah, so these two I do really like, but again, well, I know I'm already gonna keep the shirt because I took the tags off, but let me know what you think about the pants. And the third item I tried was a sweater, and I'm not gonna keep this even though I think it's really cute. I just don't need it because, like I said, we're in a hotter climate and I already have some sweaters I rarely use. But I think this is super cute and it's super comfy. It's not like too heavy. I mean, it is definitely warm, but I think the fabric is really cute. It's like an open cardigan. And if I didn't already have all these sweaters, I would keep it just because I need to use what I have and like, because I don't need to get more sweaters I'll only wear for like 2-3 months out of the year. If I had more money, I would get it. But this is by Stitches and Stripes, and it's the Liliana speckled lightweight cardigan. Let's see. And this is $58. That's another thing. If it was like $20 or something, maybe I'd keep it, but still, I don't need it though because I have so many sweaters, but I think it's so cute. And the next item is a shirt, and I'm thinking about keeping this too. It looks like it's a little big on me, but I kind of like that fit. So that's good. So it's collared and the fabric feels really nice, and it does have like a tie waist, so I think that's flattering, and it's like 3/4 length, and the sleeves are kind of pinned up or buttoned up, and I like the coloring and everything of it. So I think I tried it on with these pants in the video just for like, you know, ease of filming and stuff like that. I wouldn't pair them together because, I mean, maybe, I don't know, maybe like when I'm filming because no one sees my bottoms usually. But yeah, it's a little big, but I think that's like the fit it's supposed to be. But let me know again what you think, if it looks like too baggy or whatever, or if that's just in my head, it really just looks fine, or whatever you think. I can't wait to hear. But this is by Vicki, the Tompkins tie front top, and it's $42. So yeah, I'm thinking about this one too, just because I know like it's comfy, and I will not wear things that aren't comfy. Like this last, or like that I don't think I'll get a lot of use out of, you know, which usually is like uncomfy things. The last item's a dress, you guys, and I really like it. Like when I first saw it in the box, I did not think I would ever keep it, because I'm like, when will I use it? I don't doubt it really fits, but it's super cute. So that's why I think it's important, even if you get something in your fix that you don't think you'll like, or like even in other boxes like with makeup and stuff like that, just like try it and it could surprise you, like trying new things. But yeah, this is like a longer dress, and it is this pretty green color, so I think this is nice. So it's sleeveless obviously, but it still has like fall colors for Florida, and the back is like a racer back. This is by Market and Spruce, and it's cinched at the waist, which I really like, and it's like ruffled in the front and kind of open towards the bottom. So yeah, if I remember correctly, it was a little tight in the bust area, but I kind of like that because then I don't have to wear a bra maybe if I keep it. But I don't know, I think it was kind of expensive. It's definitely the most expensive, which makes sense because it seems like it's, you know, it's good quality, and plus it's a dress, and there's an inner lining on this too. So like I said, it's Market and Spruce, the Benedict ruffle detail dress in dark green at $78. So I don't know when I'll use it right now, but I'm hoping the world will go back to normal. Like, wouldn't this be really cute, like for brunch, on a date, like something, you know, whatever I'm doing when I start to leave the house again and stuff. Like, I just think it's cute, but do you guys think I should get it? I want to hear your thoughts on everything, and I'm being so repetitive with that, but yeah, I do. So for all 5 of the items, the total comes out to be $254. If I kept all of them, I would save 25%, which is $63.50, which would bring the subtotal to $190.50. So yeah, I mean, that's a lot of money, but I do have like $25 in credit, it says, so that would be deducted, and I don't know. I think I'm gonna keep the top I'm wearing now. Well, I am keeping the top I'm wearing now, and the pants I'm thinking too. maybe that top, but I want the dress too. Yeah, I don't know. I would. For the millionth zillionth time, let me know your thoughts, you guys. So this is probably a quick video. I hope you enjoyed it. Sorry again if the quality of my like lighting or whatever, I was filmed it like 3 in the morning the other night, isn't good, but I guess if it's terrible I can redo it, but yeah. Just so you know, that's why I may look different then or a little sleepy or whatever. But thank you for being here, and special thanks to my channel members. Your support means the world to me. If you guys want to learn more about channel membership, there's always a link down below where you can read about the perks and join. I would absolutely love it if you did, but no pressure. Just by being here and watching this video is super helpful and supportive, and I appreciate it so much. I appreciate every single one of you. So stay safe, stay healthy. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.